All right, boys and girls, you are going to make words today using this pile of cards and this game board. So each player is going to choose 5 cards and place them face down in front of them. Or you can put this whole stack of cards face down and choose from one pile. You choose. Now, each player is going to have a chance to pull a card and try and make a word using these chunks over here on the game board. If you are able to make a word, then you get a point. If you can't make a word, put your card back on the stack and it's your friend's turn to go. For instance, if I pulled the SH card, I know it makes the sh. So I would put it on the arc to make the word sh. Arc. Shark. Go ahead and have fun taking turns. Be sure to be a nice friend and play kindly.